In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk Talk phone support. We'll walk through the full setup flow together so that by the end, your team will be ready to start handling calls directly within Zendesk. First, log into your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the icon that looks like a little rocket. This is your shortcut to the Zendesk Admin Center. Go ahead and click that rocket icon and the Admin Center will open. Inside the Admin Center, focus again on the left panel. Here, you'll see a section called Channels. Click on Channels to expand it. Under this section, look for Talk and Email and then select Talk. When you click Talk, Zendesk will open a new page in your browser. On this page, you'll see the phone number that Zendesk has assigned to your account for Talk. Take a moment to confirm that this number is correct for your region and use case, then click. Next to continue, the next screen asks you to choose who will be Talk agents. You have three options. You can allow everyone to be a Talk agent, you can select only yourself, or you can specify particular users on your team. Think about who should be able to take calls and who has the right training or responsibility. Make your selection and then click Next again. Zendesk will now walk you through a quick overview of how to start taking calls. It will highlight a few basics, like being online, answering a call, ending the call, and then making yourself available again. This is mostly an informational tour to help new users understand the workflow. Since we're focusing on setup, you can simply click Skip this step to move ahead. For the final part of the setup, Zendesk will show you a preview of what an inbound call looks like on an agent's screen. This gives you a sense of what your team will see when a customer calls in. Once you've reviewed this preview, click Finish. After that, you'll be taken back to the Zendesk Admin Center, specifically to the Talk Settings page. Here, you can fully manage your phone support configuration. You can enable or disable Talk entirely, set the maximum queue size, and define how long callers can wait. You'll also see options to enable or disable features like whether new live call recordings are public, whether agent confirmation is required for call forwarding, and whether Zendesk should transcribe and summarize call recordings on tickets. At the top of this page, you'll also see your remaining Talk credit, which helps you keep track of usage. And that's it. Your Zendesk Talk phone support is now set up and ready for your team to start taking calls.